Hi, I am Bogdan Didian, and I am delighted to be your host today. Here at Endava, we are constantly reimagining the relationship between people and technologies. Today, we have gathered here over 300 people, 25 teams from 4 countries to plan the next increment of a next-generation global payments platform. Everything is prepared and we are all very excited about it. We believe that this event will be one more pillar in our success, strengthening our partnership and proving one more time our experience as a team in rolling out such big engagements. Having 300 people working on the same product, it's complex, it's hard. Wondering how you can align and be productive at the same time? We tried various scaled agile models over time. Now, we do SAFe. My colleagues will go through 4 core values, which are considered SAFe's fundamental beliefs. Values that dictate behavior and action for anyone involved in this kind of environment.
This PI planning event is a great opportunity to get everyone together and decide on the next steps of the program increment. We are multiple Agile Release Trains, part of different value streams grouped on business areas, and this event gives us the chance to get aligned around all dependencies between the teams, the program risks, our commitment on the PI objectives, and have visibility on the program board. The teams focus on delivering business value and implementing continuous improvement items as outcome of the Inspect and Adapt workshop, which enables them to close the loop and execute better during each program increment.
Good design is a key element for delivering quality software, and this becomes especially important when you have so many teams working on the same product. Although we make sure that high-level architecture is being ready before this event, this is a good opportunity to spot dependencies and take key decisions as you have everyone in the room. This way, we foster collaboration and team empowerment as we involve everyone in the decision-making process.
As in Agile, one of SAFe core values is built-in quality. This means quality is embedded at every stage: unit test, QA, environment test, production configuration. Also, continuous delivery pipeline assures quality before delivery into production. The PI event gives people the opportunity to go directly to the business stakeholders and have conversations required to make sure that we take the right decisions. More than that, I'm sure that this will bring better engagement from all sides and the relationship between the teams will be strengthened.
This type of event is important for us as it creates the transparency and alignment required for our teams to perform. In SAFe, alignment is needed to keep pace with fast change, competition and distributed teams working towards a common direction. This way, business and development can confidently rely on each other. Transparency is an enabler for trust, allowing building high-performance teams, programs and the confidence needed to deliver value and meet commitments.
It's great to see all this excitement. During the last 3 days, we have reviewed the results from our previous increments. We have identified risks, and the leadership team presented their vision. It's great to see how all these roles work together in this type of environment to plan the strategy for the next increment.